name is Mr. Edwards. What's your name?
Charlotte.
How old are you?
8.
Look at these pictures. They are the same, but some things are different. Here, the boy is not wearing a hat, but in this picture, he is wearing a hat. What are other different things that you see?
Here, the boy is holding a red kite. Here, the boy is holding a green kite.
Very good.
Here, the girl has long hair. Here, the girl has short hair.
Yes.
Here, there is a yellow kite. Here, there's a red kite.
Very good.
Here is one bee. Here is no bees. Here's 3 flowers. Here's 2 flowers.
Very good. Now, look at these 4 pictures. They show a story. It's called A Nice Dream. Look at the pictures first. Look at the first one. Charlie is sleeping. He's dreaming about something. What's he doing in his dream?
He is dreaming about penguins.
Now you tell the rest of the story.
Charlie was sleeping. He was dreaming about penguins. He woke up. His dad came in and gave him a penguin.
Okay. Now look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The book is different. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange are fruit. You eat them. You don't eat a book. You read it. Now you tell me about these pictures. Which one is different and why?
This one is different because these are all stuff we do at class.
Okay. How about these 4 pictures?
This one is different because this is dancing, and this is dancing, and this is dancing.
And how about these 4 pictures?
This one is different because these are all stuff you wear.
Okay. Now let's talk about sports. What is your favorite sport?
Swimming.
And do you need anything to go swimming, like a bat or a racket or a ball?
No.
When do you go swimming?
In summertime.
And where do you do it?
In a pool.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.